In this video, we are going to determine whether the following series converges or diverges. So here we have the sum from n equals 1 to infinity of 3 to the n over 4 to the n. So it is very tempting to write this as the sum from n equals 1 to infinity of 3 over 4 to the n. So when you see this, you might automatically think, okay, geometric series test. So let's review what that says. So first we should recall what the form of the series should be for the geometric series test. So a geometric series is of the form where we're taking the sum from n equals 1 to infinity of a times r to the n minus 1. Or maybe we have an index shift and we're looking at the sum from n equals 0 to infinity of a times r to the n. Now in our case, we are starting at n equals 1, but 3/4 is raised to the nth power, not the nth minus 1 power. But that's not a big issue because we can just factor out a 3/4. So we can write this as the sum from n equals 1 to infinity of 3/4 times 3/4 to the n minus 1. Now, this looks a little silly, but this is exactly what we want. We have 3/4 is our a, and we also have that 3/4 is r. So we're in the perfect setup. Now, let's recall what the geometric series test tells us. So if I have a series like this, then if the absolute value of r is less than 1, then the series converges. So in our case, r is 3/4, so the absolute value of r is definitely less than 1. Therefore, we get that the series converges. And we are done. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if there are problems you'd like to see solved, feel free to email them to ashmath1729@gmail.com.